Well, welcome back, everyone. It is Microsoft's earnings moment as I record this. I'll give you a little hint on that. They're down right now about 5% as they release earnings, but it's a little early to tell. For those of you that are small lot traders, newer to the overall active trading arena, and for those of you that are really advanced that want to be challenged, I've got a treat for you. We're going to be using a powerful set of strategies and tools in a class that I'm going to teach tomorrow. I'm going to give you a preview of it here, and we're going to put it to the test on very short-term decisions intraday with the highest probability setups using a powerful scanner, and we're going to do the same for swing trades. What you've got on the screen right now is a simple, straightforward toolkit that gives you powerful signals when used appropriately tend to do better. What you've got effectively at this stage is a weekly chart that is pulling back down, but is not in a sell signal state. You've got a daily chart that is in a sell signal state. There's a sell signal. We've made it almost to the midline target. You can see the chart underneath the main chart. That subchart is telling you the momentum is growing and growing. Why? Well, after hours right now, Microsoft's down about 7.5%, and the tool already was in that spot before Microsoft's earnings, telling you that we're crossing a threshold that's important, supported by the weekly negative momentum shift that we got up here. It's kind of like the beginning over here. So downside risk remains in play, and while that's in play, if the market is able to overcome and hold a support structure, well, you may have heard it yesterday in a video just like this, where I used the TRP scanner to identify opportunities using a 4-hour time frame, which is what you're seeing on the very right-hand side of the screen. And what we're going to do in tomorrow's class is we're going to narrow that down to a day trading time frame. We're going to narrow it down to a time frame where active traders may be able to make better trading decisions overall and identify gems just like these to get ready to rumble with active trading and higher probability results. Now, in order to get something through as a coach and as a teacher and as a trader, we're going to keep the language simple. We're going to keep the setup simple. And we're going to have a clean line of sight on setups that have a higher probability. And we're going to be using the TRP scanner as well to help us with those decisions. But this worked like a gem. You saw yesterday's video. That's today's bar, a continuation higher. And that's something that was in store and identified by this toolkit. Join me tomorrow to find gems just like these in a market that is volatile, coming in with massive earnings results. Microsoft's down 7.5% right now. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning, Wednesday, July the 31st at 10 a.m. Eastern Time for me to get in depth with you on these tools and strategies developed by 33-time champion trader Rob Hoffman. They're so straightforward and so powerful that putting them together with multiple time frames and an incredible scanner on the WealthCharts platform, it's just a powerful combo that comes into play and gets the job done for me more often than not. I got to follow the rules, though. Now, join me by going to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. We will see you there tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. I can't wait to be there with you and provide you my knowledge. Bye for now, all.